We had a mixed section already in place, but we thought it was important to give the girls only section an opportunity to just play with the girls rather than in the mixed environment. Some of the girls which came along said they didn't really feel comfortable playing in the mixed environment with the boys. Yeah, when we set the teams up, we were pretty much reliant on coaches that were already within the club. But when the girls were signing, then obviously we had parents come on board straight away. I think we've probably got about 6-7 new coaches within the age groups. The FAW huddle scheme has allowed us to, open the sessions up to girls who've never kicked the ball. They're coming in from up and down the valley, opportunity to come along, give it a go. If they like it, if they take to it, obviously we sign them as a club. If not, they can go away, come back again. It's given us a good platform really to build the girls section.
Meeting new friends and playing matches and learning new skills. I love football because I can play with friends and I enjoy it because I like tackling other people. I've made lots of friends in football and now I want to be a professional football player.